Ping Pong on Apple Vision Pro is one of those things you have to feel to believe. And there's a little trick that takes it from, oh, that's fun, to why is it 3 in the morning and I'm still playing ping pong? Let me show you. The game is called Ping Pong Club and it's free. It's a proper ping pong simulator. Real spatial audio, the ball pings around your actual room. You can play casual matches against the computer at 4 difficulty levels. Run rally drills, or go head to head with a friend who also has the headset. And here's the surprising part. It works shockingly well with nothing but your bare hand. The headset tracks your hand, creates a spatial paddle, and you can get it cracking. For a free app with 0 accessories, it's pretty impressive. Now the trick? Pick up a Logitech Muse. Yes, this little stylus that's technically sold as a 3D pen for drawing and sculpting, which is cool enough, but Ping Pong Club recently integrated this beautiful tool to create a much more responsive ping pong paddle using the Muse as a paddle handle right in your hand. And it completely changes the feel because now you're holding a real physical thing. You can turn the pen and the paddle angle turns with it. Your hand finally has something to actually hold on to and aim instead of visualizing a paddle in thin air. This little upgrade takes it up a notch and it makes me feel like I'm actually playing ping pong. What I love most about this is that it's a peek at where this whole platform is going. The Muse isn't a ping pong paddle, it's a tracked spatial accessory. The headset knows exactly where it is in space down to the fractions of a second. And Apple lets any app tap into that functionality. So developers like those for Ping Pong Club were able to turn this spatial accessory into a really impressive ping pong paddle. The PlayStation VR2 controllers can do similar functions in other games and apps like pickleball. That's the magic move. A real object you're holding becomes a virtual tool. It's a small, precise, fun version of something that's about to power serious innovations in the next couple years. Training tools, instruments, all kinds of hands-on apps. It's indicative of where this platform is headed. But in the meantime, it's genuinely one of my favorite apps, and the Muse makes it a 10 out of 10 experience. So download Ping Pong Club. It's free, and if you got the Logitech Muse, have some fun with it. And if you beat my high score, I want to hear about it. This is spatial computing. Now go play.